Hi favorites, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have another tutorial. If you've been following this channel, you'll know that by now I've done feather crochet a couple of times to know that this one is going to turn out amazing. But I've never ever tried this hair texture before in either a wig or crochet, so I'm going to be trying it out today and let's see how it turns out. So guys, first things first, we have to talk about the cornrow. I realized I've never really told you the pattern I use and why I always use it. The first thing you want to do is to have your hair in cornrows. As you can see, I weave this straight back. The first one should go all the way to this side. So it's going to serve as the bottom base, so you can easily pack your hair up and it still looks good. When they start making the other ones, once they make this one, they join it to the next one, weave the next one, add it to the previous one, just like that till you get to the end. This is one of the easiest hairstyles you can ever do. You can do this yourself even if you're a beginner. All you have to do is to get 1 or 2 strands. I am making use of 2 strands at the back, then when I get to the middle I'd go for single strand, and I make use of all the extension. Okay, so if I'm being sent 5 packs, I try my best to use the whole 5 packs or most of it. But one thing I can say about this hair, I can see that it's going to come out looking full. I can't tell you how helpful it's been buying this. The moment I started using it for my crochet loops like this, it has really cut my hair making time by half.
In my restless dreams, my sleep tank, silent hill.